organic permaculture farm where we grow more than 81 crops. We have goat, we have chicken, we have cow, we have organic farm. So you are welcome to come to our farm, visit our farm, stay with us. If you come here, we can guide you around our farm. We can harvest the fresh product from the garden and eat here. We can play with the chicken, we can play with the goats, enjoy. We work together with a FullMoon trek, so you can come together with them and enjoy the stay, enjoy the permaculture life in here. Also from Hasera, you can see the beautiful mountains. You can hike up to Namu Buddha. You can look around Nepalese village and enjoy the Nepalese style of life. You can learn Nepalese culture. You can also learn Nepalese cooking style. You can participate with us while cooking in the kitchen. You can prepare your recipe. We can exchange our food. So we can totally mix up our culture, enjoy the time in a happy, healthy environment, very fresh air and very fresh garden, fresh food. Thank you. You are welcome in Hasera. Nepal is a diverse country where our life is very much connected with the nature and society. But now modern development is bringing people away from this nature, away from this tradition, away from this culture. So permaculture can help people to bring back where they can live in close harmony with the nature without disturbing the nature, without disturbing the society, but still enjoying the fullness of life where they can enjoy the modern facilities also. So to continue our traditional values and knowledge and to maintain our rich natural biodiversity, natural systems, we need to establish permaculture system here. Without this, we'll be just going towards the material or consumerist way of development, which will create many problems, many hazards in the nature, as we have already seen in many parts of the town, particularly in Kathmandu, many other towns in the world.